Oh, that you want me buy for you? No, it don't make no sense. I soon start get bigger and I go look good and them something no more. What you talk about, man? You go look good in anything. I see them something there. So, you stop me now?
So when since you and Anthony so close,
I'm a man. Why, you jealous?
Octavia, no tell me say you really do this. No tell me say you really get a boy that a baby there. But that in your head though, don't it?
Anthony is the father for the baby. But you can't go mind your own damn business and stay out of my life.
So that's why you wear them big clothes there. Yeah, at your belly. Cause you know say him can't be the father.
You can't keep your big mouth shutty. Why you love mix up so? I swear things say you was my friend.
Him too busy I chat to the girl over there, so I think concerned about our conversation.
You know what, Crystal? Why not just go and boy your business and stay out of my life? There's a reason why I'm cut you off. Cause you just want bad mind, bitch.
Calm for you enough, watch.
Relax now. What wrong, what happened? I just a girl, Crystal, man. She's just so damn enough. Don't worry about that thing, man. Don't make nobody bother you, man. They for you. Just not kissing in a public, alright? I don't really like to do them something in a public. Alright, me look on some more clothes for you, alright? Just relax. Look up it. No make nothing bother you. Alright? I'm there for you. I just don't know. I feel like Rick there with me for a purpose. Something I know about.
You love make things better, you one young sexy boy one day with you. I look for a reason for complain. I can't bother with you in a Sherry.
It's just, I basically, I don't know. I just feel like he might use me for some reason.
If him I use you, you I use him. Look from when you get some good sweet loving with your dirty husband day. If happy see one young boy I take your body.
Sometimes I wonder if I should just cut him off.
So when you cut him off, you ever get out of that? You never get no more body, and you gonna be lonely, and if you deal with it, it look like you miss daddy. And idea, Shireen, if you stop talk to Rick, one other woman I go hold him down. You lucky say I have him first, because I swear I should have me. The boy is sexy Ross, man, I tell no lie. Just spend more time with him and see it go. Not just cut off the boy, so. Cause I'm one good boy. You're too paranoid. Nah lie, Shireen, him just gorgeous.
Baby, me sure takes away the thing today.
My one business, me running, you can't just come in here play with your little freaky self.
But Debbie, me a dead feet and I'm not in alive.
Alright, forward in that bathroom. Say me name.
Debbie. So I say just coming at people yard and them off them mango, so? Oh shit, I'm sorry. Oh man, it's because I haven't eaten mangoes in so long. Oh yeah, I'm foreigner. No wonder. You can't do them something they do, you know? Yo, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to come in your yard and steal out your fruits. I'm really sorry, okay? I'm really sorry though. I'm really sorry. It's alright, man. You can stop apologize. Them done dinner your belly already. I just want to apologize because I don't know if I'm gonna get you in trouble or anything. No man, it good. Mr. Gotta tell my grandmother say I mean them. It's kinda weird, I never seen you around here before. You never seen me around here before, but yet you thief mango out of me yard? Well, my brother's baby mother, she lives next door to you, and well, I'm gonna really go outside 'cause my granny kinda strict. But anyways, never go inside now because if the neighbor him see it in the yard, I'm gonna tell my granny some day with man. So later. Wait, what's your name?
Glubadon. Wazo no Chicano Zarababa. Not as clean as those.
These are like students. The zombies, the glamour. It's all the doing for me. We're gonna be either take rather than do.
This might sound out of blue and everything, but me I sell the house. What you mean you're selling the house? What the hell you talking about? Yo, what are you that you talk about? Like I'm tell your mother a while ago, me I sell the house. You can't sell the house. It's a mommy house and a your house. Look like your mother never tell you say she put my name in a title and take off your own. Yo, mommy, what the hell am I talk about? What you mean you take out your name and put fee name in a title? She do that from when you look up boy. She already know say with her full brain she couldn't take care of no house. So she put my name in it. Back then we have one little agreement say him would have ownership of the house. Yo mommy, you idiot or something? Or if you give the money title of your house, you know no sense. Sean, just don't do that, alright? Mommy knows that money in a rate we already are you really gonna put film name in the house, mommy? Like really? You know, I'm in a long talking with the two of you, so we can sit down there with each other. And idea, the house a sell, and we find somewhere for go live. Meanwhile, me I look for a new house for buy. So what the hell me and mommy supposed to go live? Boy, I look for new house. What about we? If it wasn't such a little disrespectful little picnic, I would have bring you with me. But you better stay with your mother, cause she make you stay so. Yo man, like you for dead you know man. It make you say I'm a father, you're a wicked pussy. Yo, I'm not even gonna waste my time arguing with you, you know. Sure not even know. I'm sick and tired of it too, you know. I'm not even gonna deal with this anymore, you know. I'm gonna deal with no one thing. So mommy, you really gonna make him get away with this? What the hell two are we supposed to live? Sean, I can't do nothing about it. If you name that title. So which part we gonna live, mommy? Where we gonna live? I will call your grandmother and see if we can stay with her. Yo man, now stay over grandmother house. I want to man look how far she live. Sean is nothing. There's nothing we can do, Sean. Him naming of the house. Him have ownership. Yo man, I understand now you just a stand up there like this not affect you. Like none of this not affect you, like really? I'm just shocked. I can't believe him do this to us. You can't believe my do this to us. I mean you're delusional or something. Look how much years the man I deal with your way. Yo, freak all of this, you know, man. I got my girl yard. Come now, I got grandmother house. You mad? You ready for go be now? Me I go watch all I plate them. Don't worry about it. You ready for me?